This is a short video to teach you how to log in to Spark 3000. There are several ways you can navigate to the Spark site. Probably the easiest way is to search for Spark 3000 through Google, and you can click on either this link that comes up to spark3000.com. That will take you to the login page, or you can click on this link to the Achieve 3000 website, which is the company that makes Spark 3000, and then you have to do the second step of clicking here, Log In. And again, that brings you to the login page for Spark 3000. Another way that you can get to this website is by entering the website address, portal.achieve3000.com, and pressing enter. That will also take you directly to the login page, and perhaps most simply, you should be redirected here if you type in spark3000.com and press enter. So those are 4 different ways you can get to this login page. From here, this is where you enter your username and password. Your username and password will be provided by your teacher. They will provide you a list of usernames and passwords for your class on your Schoology page. If you can't find that username and password list, or if you think that your name is not on it, if you realize that your name is not on it or it needs to be updated with your name, please contact your teacher with a remind message, and they will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and give you your Spark 3000 login information. For most people, the username will be your first name dot last name from your student ID. Sometimes if you have a common first name and last name, there will be an extra number at the end. But remember, there's usually a dot in the middle. And then your password is a short passphrase. And we ask you to write down that passphrase in a secure place for yourself to help you remember. And if you're using a laptop that only you will access, in other words, it's not a public laptop or it's not a laptop shared by a lot of different people, you can save your password in your browser like I've done here. Note that the first time you log into Spark 3000, you will have the Lexile level set test, and there are instructions for you on how to take that test in a separate video.